We got 2 of them this time, 20 of them, so we want the rares. We want the Astrals. I'm not so much into the Ancients. There's a couple good ones. But the Heroes and the Astrals. And we're after the rares. And the glow-in-the-dark ones. That's what we're after. So let's get right into it. As we go along, I'll put the names up on the screen. I'll put them up right here. So let's open this one first. I like the packaging design on these. Try and save that card. It's a little nicer than the other one. You know what? We're just going to open them both up right now. I don't know how many people got that gold one, but I would like to know because I heard it's real gold, plated gold. 24 karat, I think, or 18. So I wonder if anyone actually got that. I haven't seen. Well, I haven't looked for it either. We're gonna save the yellow ones for last. Alright, so we'll start with this pack here. And I believe these are all just ones. Don't want double. Right away. Is it a double or is it different? Yeah, it's a double, but one is brighter than the other. A lot brighter. That's weird. See that? They're the exact same. But one is dull. And one's brighter. Okay, so that's the first one. So that's got to be a double unless that's one that looks similar to that one. We never got this guy yet. He's cool. Alright, it's 2 down. Let's keep it moving. What's going on, everyone? How's everyone's night? This one's cool. I don't believe I got this one yet, so that's good. Looks like a little wrestler Reminds me of a little wrestler. What's his name that he reminds me of? He always wore a mask. He was always very tiny, just flipping around. What's his name? Leave his name in the comments. I know it'll come right to you. He's cool. Alright. Oh, he's pretty cool. I don't got this guy either. So his name will be right here. He's pretty cool. I am hooked on these things right now. They remind me of muscles. Little muscle figures, if anyone remembers those. And I forgot to look. These are all ones, too. Sorry, I haven't even been looking at that. Yeah, they're all ones. Like I said, I believe these are all going to be ones except for the yellow package. Okay, we definitely don't got this one. This one's pretty cool. I think this one might even be a new design. No. I have that design already, but it's pretty cool. The colors on it. Number 1. Yep. Number 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. These big guys are pretty cool. They remind me of old school cartoons. Or they almost remind me of, remember the Homies? Used to get them in gumball machines. It's kind of what these guys remind me of. And he's a 1. Like this guy. This guy looks like a homie. Alright, what was that? 6. That was number 6. Oh, this guy's cool. He's a 1 too. He's pretty cool. He's like psychedelic looking. Pretty cool. Number 8. Oh, this guy's cool. I have no idea what he's supposed to be. Some type of monster. He's gotta be one of the Astrals, for sure. He's a 1 too. It's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of a E.T. with a bodysuit on or something. Alright, let's keep it moving. So we ain't getting doubles so far, so that's good. That is good. This guy's pretty cool too. Don't got him. Alright. So far, so good. Man, I'm hooked on these things. I'm going to be getting these things. I'm getting all 110. Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't got her. She's like a Viking. She got like some type of animal fur on. Alright. Oh yeah. Late where I'm at. Pretty much 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh, this guy's cool. He's definitely... No, I think he might be a hero. I think. Not sure. Really cool. Nice colors. Good clear paint on them. Cool. Like that guy. Some of these are really cool, man. Okay, so this is the one I've been waiting for too. I know it's not glow in the dark, but this one is cool, and I like this one. Yes, and number one. Yeah, these are all gonna be ones, so all common. But I believe this is an uncommon. No, it's a common. But really cool. I wanted this one. I like the green ones for some reason. The vibrant ones. Got a stack of paper here. Alright, let's keep it moving. We're almost through them. We got this pack, and then 4 yellow packs. Okay, so I already have this guy. This is a double. Yeah. I have him. So, altogether, I believe that's 3 doubles. Maybe 3. At least 2, which ain't bad. It really ain't bad. I thought I was going to have a lot more doubles. Okay. This guy's pretty cool too. He's like skeleton, but like with his brains showing. This one is really cool. You see his brains in the front and in the back. Really cool. I like that one. Alright, don't got that one. Last gray pack. I want some more glow in the dark ones. Okay. This is a new one, but these Vikings kind of all look the same. I think they just have like either different color helmets or different colored beards, but I don't have that one. Pretty cool. Number 1. So yeah, most of these are commons. You'll probably have to get the bigger packs to get a lot of the rare ones. That's what I'm assuming. And this is actually my first real night or my second one. It's pretty cool. Number 1. Alright, so those are the commons. Man, these little guys build up pretty quick. So, on to the rares. This is the first one. Okay, this guy's pretty cool. I like the translucent ones too. The translucent ones, the glow-in-the-dark ones, the green ones, the blue ones, the vibrant colored ones. Those ones really stand out to me. And this guy's really cool. He's like a fire guy. His face is on fire. He's a 5. He is cool. I like him. Alright. Ooh. Okay, this guy's really cool too. See, I like the blue translucent ones. We're getting a lot of translucent ones in this package. And he's like a skull. Blue translucent skull guy. And he is a 5. These are really cool. Alright. 2 more. Last 2. And I can't find them no more in the store, so I'm gonna have to order some more. Which sucks. What do we got? What do we got? Well, we got one of the Viking guys, and he's just like a marbled color, and his point system is 10. So really, that could have been a common or an uncommon. It really doesn't stand out that much compared to the other ones. So, last one. We're hoping for a glow-in-the-dark. We want a glow-in-the-dark, and we don't want a double. Okay, we didn't get a glow-in-the-dark, and with this one, it's a fly with brains, almost like that skull with brains, except it's a fly. And he's like a grayish, I wouldn't even say translucent. No, he's just gray. And he could have been a common. He's a 10. It's really not that rare. But, I mean, he is cool looking. 10. Shows up good on the camera. Okay, so I have one. Yeah, okay, so my biggest guy right now, well, not my biggest, but the most points, that one right there, 50. And that's the pink sparkly one. Alright. I'll show you all the ones we got so far. So this is them. Those are all the ones we just opened. Those are the ones we opened earlier. And that's the pile of garbage now from opening them. That was fun. Alright, well that's all I got for tonight. Until next time.